inward an application for construction license. Right? I'm a POA of the owner of a plot. The plot is in Rivora Panchayat. The owner of the plot is building a villa. Construction license application inward karna tha. When I reached the panchayat, in front of the panchayat there is a small lane. Some vehicle was there blocking the lane. On the other side there is a parking area. That is also blocked. So I requested the driver of the vehicle to move his vehicle, so either I can pass him and park behind or go to the parking area. The man refused. He said, no, I will not do it. So I stopped the vehicle, I just got off, went into the panchayat to give my application. In the meantime, the PSO and another person start shouting at me and threatening me that they will file a complaint against me if I don't move my vehicle. So I said, but your vehicle is blocking the road. Why would you file a complaint against me? File a complaint against the driver. So then the minister is standing there, he's telling me, you must do as they say. Otherwise, I will take care of you.
Who is that minister?
Neelkant Halandkar, I learned later. I didn't know this minister was even here. He's standing there and abusing me and telling me, I will see you, I will take care of you, I will finish you off. This is the minister of Goa who's claiming all this to a citizen who's just walking into a panchayat to invert an application. Now, after that, the PSO has a gun next to him. He takes his hand and says, I will point this at you, man, you have 1 minute. I said, listen, just relax. I went out, told the driver, do you mind just moving it 3 feet to your right? I can then pass my vehicle and park. Please know you're blocking my vehicle. I have a video of recording of this also. I have a video recording, I have an audio recording of the entire incident. Despite this, the high-handedness of the ministers of Goa and the elected is very visible here. This is the kind of pressure that politicians and corrupt politicians particularly, and those who want to intimidate and harass the common citizen. This is a clear example. Minister Neelkant Halandkar is a horrible example. A person like this should be nowhere around an elected person. He should not be elected. He should not be there to serve people. He should be put behind bars. If this is the kind of abuse of power that the man is doing, he should be dismissed in a second. And Chief Minister, Mr. Sawant, you are not expected to support such individuals. Instead of dismissing them, you are supporting them. Are you hand in glove and are you trying to say that no citizen of India is welcome in the state of Goa? You want to threaten and harass everybody and throw them out based on nonsensical, fake and fraud complaints such as this? This is what happened.
आपकी प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ पे थी?
रिवोरा में थी, रिवोरा पंचायत में है।
अच्छा,
उसका कंप्लेंट हमने दिया, सॉरी उसका एप्लीकेशन फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइसेंस सबमिट किया, वो कर दिया। ये सब होने के बाद आई सबमिटेड इट एंड आई लेफ्ट। व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड थ्रेटनिंग मी आई कॉल्ड द पुलिस। नाउ आई कॉल्ड द पुलिस बिकॉज ऑफ थ्रेट्स। जैसे ही मैंने कॉल किया, ये लोग भागे और इन्होंने बोला हम आपके ऊपर कंप्लेंट करेंगे, अब आपको छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
ये किसने बोला था सर?
ये उनके जो PSO है,
ये सब
रोहन परब।
ये सब कितने बजे हुआ इंसिडेंट?
अराउंड 4:06 को मैंने पुलिस को फोन किया है, 4:06 पर आज शाम को।
ये PSO जो बोला है ना PSO ने, उसके बाद ये मिनिस्टर आया वहाँ पे।
मिनिस्टर वहाँ खड़े थे, पीछे
थे,
कुछ कर रहे थे, मुझे मालूम था। Yes, he comes and tells me, you better listen to what they are saying. I said, sir, but what am I saying? I said, you're most welcome. I'll move my car if you're moving. But I'm not the one blocking. It's your driver who's blocking the road. So why are you asking me? Why are you threatening me? He said, no, you better do. Don't talk to me. And he walked out.
गाड़ी बीच में ही थी रास्ते पे।
बीच में बिल्कुल ब्लॉक कर रही थी। I will show you a video. Actually, my phone has just died. I would have showed it to you right now. I can recharge it. I can send it to you all. I can show you the video where the car is standing. It's blocking the entire road. There is a wall of the panchayat on the left. On the right, there are two vehicles parked. So there was no way for me to go.
So you called the police on the spot only?
On the spot. 406, I called the police. They did not. Now, the moment I do this, because I'm facing threats, I'm facing a man with a gun next to his pocket and trying to threaten me. What kind of nonsense is this?
He removed the gun?
Yes, he was taking his hand to the gun when he said, I will show this to you, man.
Who?
The PSO.
He removed the gun?
Yes, no, he didn't remove it, but he was taking his hand there,
the
threatening me. So I saw this. I said, are you mad? So I took out my phone. That's when I walked out and I said, see, you are blocking me. Please move. I'll move my car, but you're the one blocking me.
To take back your complaint?
No, I'm not. I'm going to be inverting my complaint right now as we speak, and I'm going to leave from here. Thank you very much.